Now, this is the second part of the discussion on, I call it a 4 numbers in a row. And, once again, this is the question with the odd. This is the question with the even numbers were asked on 2 different days. So one of the thing I wanted to do is look at the odd and the even number combinations. One other thing I figured out, if I take the median of these two, and everyone knows actually how to work out the middle number, which is 4, times it by 8 gives you that number. So the moment I started talking about the median, it gave me the importance, it emphasizes the importance of the symmetricness of the data. Now, let me try the same theory over here. The median of that data is 4 plus 6 is 10, divided by 2 gives you 5, 8 times 5 gives you 40. Works absolutely fine. So one of the statement the students can write, and it may not be the same with NZQA answer, but one of the finding the student can always say the median of the numbers times it by 8, that gives you the final number. But is it going to work if we change the sequence of numbers? One of the things I figured out, if you go for symmetric swap, it is going to work. But the thing is that if it is asymmetric swap, this is not going to work. By now I have kind of generalized about 3 different aspects of mathematics. Now I'm going to do something. I'm going to write the odd number as a generalized number. Okay, x, if we call it x, is it going to work? X can be 1, x can be 2. No, it's not going to work. So how about 2x? 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Now it's not going to work. So if I subtract 1 from there, 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1 is an odd number. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 1 is another odd number. So generally speaking, odd number, the first odd number can be written like that. And the subsequent odd numbers are 2x minus 1, the next one will be 2x minus 1 plus 3, which is 2x plus 2. I'm sorry, I should have said 2x plus 1, and then 2x plus 2x plus 3, and then 2x plus 5. In fact, that's the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, right? And for this even number, I can say 2x is the first number, and then 2x plus 2, and then 2x plus 4, 2x plus 6. It's kind of getting messy, so I'll shift it to the left hand side. So let's look at the even ones, that one. So 2x 2x plus 2, 2x plus 4, 2x plus 6. Now if we add them together, that gives you 4x plus 2. I am using the expression adding and subtracting like terms. 4x plus 6, and then 4x plus 10. And then if I keep adding them, it gives you 8x plus 8, and that'll give you 8x plus 16. And then I keep adding 16x plus 24. Now 8 is a common factor, so 2x plus 3, that gives me some idea. If I multiply these numbers by 8, is it going to give me the final summation? Okay, what is that 2x plus 3? Let me see. Well, these two were the middle numbers, so I want to find out the median of this, which is 4x plus 6, and if I divide it by 2, that gives me 2x plus 3. Look at this. So if I multiply the median of this series of numbers that by 8, that gives you the final summation of number. I'll come back with further discussion. It's a very interesting thing, and then if we give the students extended time with the internal assessment, probably this will be a wonderful assignment. Thank you.